सब कष्ट खालाय खुलुमथै सारै जे रां हमani bono jodi sumaro misuse khalai, what will happen? Yes, after 3 years or 4 years you may return with a certificate. Nini certificate naikhlai ha yes Tripura University ni vice chancellor ni signature rajak nini yago postgraduate degree tongu but tongfano o degree tongani bagai nang thangai huk tai chane bagai bo nang sugya karon ni degree ganang na huk tangmaya abar o degree nini classmate jok jokhon hataro thangai chai hoye phano onek bor sak na placement hoye nu placement no khlaimaya that sets frustration in your mind. That frustration drag you to the dandamunda drug arai bisa samungo nung jokhon arai khlai sakno jokhon nung ঠিক ভাবে nung abu khlaimiya tadei jeta dorin oro chini writer je sakha chini kopno chini koglobno koptangno tisanani you can't do it. I think Erabuti Saka Savo politician of Nai Am Hinnai Tripura Juni Sini Borogro Sudu Tripuraya Sini Bukung Barara Jotoni Slavishi politically. This is true. Second, Sini Bukung Barasuk 10 politics clay, Sini Borogro Gopto politics clay. Yak Tisanangia. Orthat Sudu, we have Hungry Yang, we have Hungry Yang, Nang, Ani Facing Hadiang Manikoria. This is not that stage here. Angorokan Shamani Prosperia. Sini Tripura politics Klaya, politics 99 Clay. Sava Clay Manania. Ukashasi Klaya, 99 Clay. But due to that understanding is lacking. Due to that determination for life, for the society, for the nation, it is missing. Nung party like even any party like about nung sarp claim. So ang tamak line ang sanmanya ani koimani ungka nung tamat lain na doctor online na engineer online na politician online na Christian dharma guru online na Hindu dharma guru online tama online, it is up to you. It is your personal business. But first and foremost, you build yourself. Nung jodi nini jodi quality tomo oija tasing samani nini jodi sati jodi nini thok tomonum jodi current tonmusum mago je kono borok attract khai na je sok phana manang ma phaitum nokbar phaitum nini sati nini light that will show you the path. People will respect you, adhere you, care you, and automatically je nini dofa language, culture, politics, economy, in every segment of our life, that will be enlightened, that will be excelled, that will be benefited. Kaji nung jodi bufang gamungo nono chair takdi, almari takdi, sofa set takdi, o furniture gamunga. Nini ha jodi gamungo nono Durga takdi, Hanuman takdi, Kartik takdi, Ganesh takdi, Lord Jesus Christ takdi. That idol would be, that mane murti, that statue would be really solid. Because nini jodi ha bethiya, nini jodi knowledge koroi, non jerafa lagi, jet party fan not langdi nung sugya. Si samonung sugya. So that's why the freshers is not only the assembly of few fresh people. That not the assembly of few fresh and beautiful faces. This fresher is that the ha যদি গামং ফর্টাইলং সি জায়গা নং খাইসক কাইদি খাইপং কাইদি মই কাইদি মাই কাইদি বিনি harvest gamung. So that is the freshers. That freshers today, you take that pledge. We'll build ourselves and we'll help build others also. That will replicated. That will benefit the society, benefit the state and country as a whole. Isuk sawi Arawaisa Daptona, Hamdama by Kulomaya Pavi, and Korma Taka, Hamba.